Scheduling appointments with Calendly is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser and then search here for Calendly. You can see that search is completed, and next you have to click on the first link, that is calendly.com. After some time, website will open and it will look like this. Now you can see that easy scheduling ahead. Calendly use schedule automation platform for eliminating the back and for emails to find the perfect time and so much more. And next you have two options to sign up your account with Google and Microsoft account. If you scroll down, you will see that some of the products and some of the features of this website. But you can also see that a simplified scheduling for more than 20 million users worldwide. And next you can see that there are 5 options on the header of this website. You can see that first is product. Here you can access the product of this Calendly website. Next one is solutions button. When you click on it, here you have some explaining of this button. You can see that by role solutions include sales, marketing, customer success, recruiting, revenue operations, information technology, and teams. Next one is by industry, which includes technology, financial services, professional services, education. And the last one is by size, enterprising, email, and medium businesses and individuals. Next one is enterprise button. When you click on this button, you will see that solve external scheduling for enterprise. Calendly powers scheduling for over 4 out of 5 Fortune 500 companies. You can connect sales with this. But now you have to click on pricing button. This is important section for paid users and free users. In this section, you can see that the plans of Calendly. Pick the perfect plan for your team. After this you can see that basic plan, essential plans, professional plan, that is the popular plan of Calendly. Next one is team plan. So you can see that basic plan has some limited features of this Calendly that you can see here. The next one is monthly plan of $8, which has some good features than basic plan. Next one is professional plan. You can see that it has many facilities like collective events, routing, forms, admin, manage, analytical, and insights. And it has many other features in this. Now you can see that last one is team plan. You can see that this plan is only for people who have their team to work and they want to schedule appointments, all that. But I would suggest you to choose the perfect plan which you want. But you can also get started for free. That is always for free. But it has some limited features. But now you have to click on login button or get started button. Next you have to log in your account. If you don't have account, then click on get started button. I have my account, so I click on login button here. And here I have to enter my email address. That is this. And next click on login button. Now you can see that my account is successfully created. Now you can see that there are many options on the upper side and on the header of the screen. And you can also see that there is one important button on the header of the screen is integration. So now you have to click on this button, and here I will tell you how you can use this powerful tool. So now you can see that there are many platforms here which you can use easily. So I will tell you how to use this one. But you can see that on the left side of the screen there are some options. That is most used. Video conferencing, calendars, extension and app, save and CRM. You can see that these are all the options that is very useful to you if you are using Calendly for longer period of time. So let's suppose I want to connect this calendar to any of these platforms. Now let's suppose I want to integrate this one to my Chrome extension. So now click on Chrome button and you can see that new page is open. And here you can see that meeting schedule software Calendly is here. And you have an option of add to Chrome button. When you click on this add to Chrome button, it is successfully added to your Chrome as an extension. So now I am not adding this to my Chrome as an extension. Go back to the integration option. So I cancel it and back to this page. And you can see that here is an option of most used. You can see that Calendly is very used on Google Calendar to schedule appointments. And next one is Office 360, which use Calendly most. And next one is Zoom. Zoom is also a meeting platform where you can have meetings with your colleagues. And next one you can see that there are many platforms that Calendly uses. Next you can see that the option is video conferencing. Video conferencing software are Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, GoToMeet and WebEx. So if you are going to have a meeting with someone on video call, so you can use all these platforms while meeting. Next one is calendar. This is also very important. So these are the platforms that Google Calendar, Office 365 Calendar and many more. And you can also use all of these buttons according to yours. One more important button is Analytics. Open this Analytic button. Here you can see the analytics of your account through Google Analytics and Metapixels. And next you have to come back to the Home section. And there is also one important section I suggest you to use whenever you have a problem. That is Help section. You can chat with the Calendly Association with this button. You can directly chat with this button. Next one is Account button. And here if you want to share the link of your profile, you just have to click on Share Link and then copy the link URL. And you can also share it with Gmail and on your website, etc. Now next one you can see that what's new in apps and extensions that you can use in your account. So close this, and next you can see that event type. And you can see that I have some meetings here that I have scheduled long time ago. And the next option is event scheduling. Here you can see that no one is upcoming event for me. Next, you can see that another option that is pending. This means the appointments that are pending. That is going to held in future, so it will appear here. Next one is past, so it will show that appointment that you have done in the past. And the next one is time range. So now you can see that there are 3 options today, this week, and this month. Now you can select the time according to your, and then click on apply button. And here you can see that there are 2 more options, that is export. This means if you want to export the data of your appointment, then you click on export button. So let's suppose I want to export this data. Then click on export data button. Now you can see that it's downloading here. And here you can see that the file is totally empty because we don't have any data here. So in this way you can export the data. The next one is filter button. And here you can see that some filters, themes, event types, status, tracking ID, invite email. So now you can see that if you want to invite someone, so then you have to enter the email, and then you can apply on this button. But now I'm not inviting anyone. And the next, on the upper side, you can see that one more option, which is workflows. But if you want to use this workflow option, that is very a creative option of this platform, then you have to upgrade your subscription to automate your event notification and reminders with workflow. So be sure if you want to use all of these features, you have to upgrade your plan. Now you can see that these are also some points that you can use. Here you can see that an option of upgrade. Now when you click on upgrade account, you will redirect to the pricing panel. Now you can see that one option is routing option. Here you can see that quality route and schedule meeting instantly. So if you want to use this option, you also have to upgrade your plan. But this time we are going to create our appointment to schedule. Before starting, as you know, Calendly provides a compelling solution for efficient appointment scheduling. Its user-friendly platform eliminates the hassle of back and forth emails or phone calls to find a suitable meeting time. With Calendly, you can effortlessly share your availability, allowing others to choose a slot that works for them, reducing the risk of scheduling conflicts. The automated reminders and integrations with popular calendar platforms ensure that appointments are never missed. To schedule an appointment, you have to click on the Create button, which is in the upper corner of the screen. Here you have 3 options. Here you have to click on this one. The next window will look like this. Now you can see on the left side of the screen the duration button, then click here. And now you can select the duration of your appointment. Next, you can see the dashboard, which shows time on the left side of the table. Then you have to click on Add Times and then scroll down. You will see here your time of appointment. Here you can edit the time. So click again on the duration button, which is on the left side of the screen. When you increase or decrease your duration of appointment automatically changes according to yours. You can also delete your selected time from here. So click on the next button. So here you have to enter your appointment title. Then you have to click on the location button. Then you can select one of them according to yours. Then click on Publish Meeting. The next pop-up will look like this. You can copy the link and share it with your clients for an appointment. So in this way, you can schedule an appointment on Calendly.